What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 cosmetic mods that I can do to my 2015 to 2017 Subaru WRX or STI that are under $100. Roll the intro. Number 1. I don't like chrome in my STI. So one of the first things I did was delete that chrome on the Fender Badge. I bought one that it was matte black and has the STI logo even in a darker black color. There are a lot of badges out there for WRX and STIs and in different colors. The links that I'm going to be posting in the description below are going to be from $15 to $20 depending on if you want matte or do you want gloss black. They also have for WRXs and they also have for STIs. There are many out there, but this is one of the cheapest mods that you can do cosmetically for your STI. And definitely it is nicely cheap and it's very easy to install. I will also post a link in the description below of my previous video of me installing my Fender Badge so you can see how easy it is to install. Number 2, it's going to be window visors. Now, I really recommend that you get only the Subaru brand window visor. I have experiences with other visors before and that are not really made from Subaru, but the Subaru brand, it is perfection. The installation is very easy and the window visor is perfectly made for our windows, for our doors. I even have it on my Crosstrek also. Like, I really recommend you guys get only the Subaru brand. Please do not get the cheaper brands because they do not look as good as the Subaru brand window visor. It is the same visor that you can get from the Subaru dealership, but I found it on eBay for under $100. Number 3 is one of my favorite cosmetic mods that I put on my STI, and it's the F1 style third brake light or third rear fog light, however you want to call it, but it is the cheaper brand from IJDM Toy, which only costs $86 on Amazon, and it is a very nicely cosmetic mod that you can do for the rear of your car to make it look good. When you press on the brake, it just blinks 3 times. There are other out there that are more expensive than this one, but $86, you can't beat that price. You cannot let that deal pass. It only has one mode, which when you press on the brake, it blinks 3 times. It turns on when you turn your lights on. The installation is pretty simple. It just connects to your tail lights. Number 4, it is a front lip. I know this is going to be a cheap lip. It is not an OEM lip, or it's not one of those big brand lips. It's just a kind of like a no brand front lip, but it actually works. It's only $80. It's the V limited style lip, and installation is very simple. The lip is not perfection, but it works. If you're in a budget, the lip is for you. I've had the lip for almost a year and I have never had any problems with it. It's hard plastic and it doesn't come painted, but the plastic works just like fine. It's just all black and I haven't had any problems with it. Number 5 is the taillight overlays. Taillight overlay will cover the signal lights and the reverse light. You can buy it in red, you can buy it in dark smoke or light smoke color. Installation as well is extremely simple. With just a little bit of water or soapy water, you can install them, you can pull them out and put it right back in. A little bit of heat, squeegee it out, and it's already installed. Taillight overlays are at $13. Now, as a bonus, something that you can do for your car to make it look nicer is change those lights. I changed my fog light lights, which come with halogen, and also I changed my high beams, which are also halogen. I put LED lights so it matches with everything. I like my lights to be bright and I like my lights to look whitish and not that yellowish amber color. And the LED lights are definitely under $100. You can find LED lights under $50 also, depending on what brand you go with, but all LED lights that I have used work perfectly. So there you have it, top 5 cosmetic mods for your WRX or STI under $100. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe, if that's something you are into, just hit that subscribe button and wait for any more videos that are going to be coming in the future. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next one.